So this is me attempting to make an investment in myself. This is me attempting to make an investment in myself. I've been a believer in the philosophy that you can have you can have low quality video, it can be forgiven. You can have low quality lighting, as you can see. I mean, this is just all I have. But the worst thing is that people will not forgive just seconds in is bad quality audio, which I hope you've put up with for now, because right now I'm just recording on my iPhone. But I got a Zoom H4N Pro, and I'm really excited, and we're gonna switch over to that. I have a little project I need to work on, and we'll see what we can do. This is what giving up looks like. And there we go. It wasn't great. It wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great. But ultimately, I'm happy because I did something. And what is great is this Zoom. It gave me the opportunity to capture Foley and mess around with raw sound and just kind of experiment again, which I haven't allowed myself to do in a long time. And that felt really good. Even though what we just saw is what it came out as, doesn't mean it's not something I'm proud of. I'm gonna keep working on new things, and I hope you'll stay tuned and we'll see what we can do together. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. Ow. That's it. That's it for this one. I wasn't wearing pants.